Welcome to the Opencart Page Generator. If you're fed up of the same old SEO tools doing the same old things which get no results, it's time to destroy the algorithm by creating dynamic Opencart pages based on actual information that's on your product description. The automatic Opencart Page Generator is finally ready after days and nights of coding. It creates a page for each tag of your products. It takes a tag and creates a full page, including meta titles, meta descriptions, meta keywords, an SEO URL, and even dynamic content based on that tag. The content includes H1 tags, a link of the tag, and the tag in bold. This will basically guarantee a first page, if not first placement for your tag name in Google. This is an easy way to shoot up to first place in SEO for tons of keywords. We spent over $10,000 creating this mod for our business, and now we're selling it. We're even renting hosting from the myvideomenu.com platform to provide a user-friendly interface that lets you fill out a simple form and get your specific code in one click. Do you have model numbers for your products? Or special features for your products that you want to rank for? Do you have locations that you're specific for your products? This mod is for you. You just make a comma-separated list of your tags in your product page. For each product, the tags will be different. And this mod will create a very customized page for each and every tag. Google won't notice that this is being done automatically because each page is unique. We won't charge $1,000 for this, even though this is what it's worth, because that's what SEO companies would charge to do this for you. We'll only charge $200 and keep your eye out for deals. This price includes installation support and future updates, but we're going to make it super easy by providing video instructions for every part of the package. If you want to get to the top of Google for all those little nitty keywords without creating tons of pages, just having the system you do it automatically, saving you tons of time and making you tons of money, order this right now. Thank you for watching. This was Daniel from OpencartFantasy.com. To see an example of this in action, go to OpencartFantasy.com. Thank you for watching.